Black PU furniture. Pros and cons you should know before choosing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Black PU, polyurethane, color furniture has become a modern favorite for contemporary interiors. Its sleek, glossy appearance adds elegance and depth to any space. While black PU furniture looks stylish, it has both benefits and drawbacks that homeowners should consider before choosing it. Pros of black PU color furniture. Modern and luxurious look. Black PU finish gives a polished, high-end appeal to furniture, enhancing the overall sophistication of the room. Easy to clean and maintain. The PU coating makes the surface smooth and non-porous, so dust and stains can be wiped off easily with a damp cloth. Durable and resistant. PU-coated furniture is highly resistant to moisture, scratches, and daily wear, making it suitable for long-term use. Complements all decor styles. Black works as a neutral color that pairs well with both bright and subtle tones, perfect for minimalist, industrial, or luxury interiors. Reflective finish adds depth. The glossy PU surface reflects light subtly, giving a feeling of depth and richness to smaller spaces. Cons of black PU color furniture. Visible dust and fingerprints. Black PU finishes show dust, fingerprints, and smudges more easily, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain their shine. Prone to scratches on glossy surfaces, while durable, high-gloss PU finishes can reveal fine scratches under light reflection. Heat sensitivity. Direct heat or sunlight may cause the PU coating to fade or lose its luster over time. Darker look may reduce brightness. Too much black furniture can make the room look smaller or less airy if not balanced with lighter elements. Higher cost. PU finish is more expensive compared to laminate or matte finishes due to its high-quality look and coating process. Conclusion. Black PU color furniture offers a timeless, modern look that elevates interior aesthetics. However, to keep it looking its best, regular cleaning and careful placement are essential. If you value style and durability over easy maintenance, black PU furniture is a smart choice for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.